Vankool Technology Co.Limited has been dedicated on evaporative air coolers for more than 10 years. Located in Shunde, Guangdong, China, Vankool is a professional manufacturer of evaporative air coolers. Our products include 3 series: portable air coolers, industrial air coolers, and wall-mounted air coolers. Based on our professional and highly experienced R&D team, we have obtained CE, EMC, ISO serial, and CB certificates, etc. Now, prior to delivery, every product shall be tested. Now our products are used in over 60 countries and areas and gain great reputation from our customers. We are making endless efforts to satisfy the requirements of our clients. Feel what our clients feel. Always be by the side of our clients when we are needed. Understand the detailed demand on our products and service, and provide the most valuable solutions in order to constantly improve the extensive satisfaction to our clients. We care for every material we consume for our products and harness rigorously our quality control. A full range of evaporative air coolers are available to serve diverse needs. Find out more by visiting us at www.Vankool.com.